Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile without lag. First, let's optimize your device settings. Before you even open Roblox, make sure to close all other background applications. This frees up valuable RAM for the game. Also, check that your mobile device has at least 2 GB of free storage space. Finally, always connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, ideally one with a download speed of at least 25 megabits per second, for the best connection. Once you're in Roblox, head to the in-game settings to make some crucial adjustments. Lowering the graphics quality is often the most effective step. Try setting it to level 1 or 2. You should also disable any unnecessary visual effects such as shadows, reflections, and bloom. Furthermore, reducing the render distance to its minimum setting will significantly decrease the amount of data your device needs to process, leading to a much smoother experience. Maintaining your device properly is key to consistent, lag-free gameplay. Always keep your mobile operating system updated to the latest version available, as these updates often include performance improvements. Regularly clear the cache of your Roblox application. You can usually find this option in your device's app settings. A simple restart of your phone or tablet every few days can also work wonders, refreshing its system resources and clearing out temporary files. Finally, let's talk about your network connection. If your router supports it, try connecting to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band instead of 2.4 GHz, as it offers faster speeds. Ensure you are physically close to your Wi-Fi router to get the strongest possible signal, ideally within 10 to 15 feet. Also, try to avoid playing Roblox during peak network usage times in your household, like when others are streaming high-definition video, to minimize bandwidth competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.